Ah, screw it. Let's just go. No way. No way. No friggin' way. So how was that for a dramatic intro? I'm like the Harvey Weinstein of YouTube, minus the whole sexual abuse thing he's got going on. Anyway, take a look at the newest toy to join the trial and error garage here. If for those of you that watch my garage building series, you'll remember I purchased a JLG scissor lift to help get that garage up. And now that I don't have a real use for it, I ended up trading it straight up with my neighbor across the street who just was in the process of building a house out in Idaho and could use a scissor lift. And I remember when I first bought this house, this was like, what, 8 years ago now? 7 years ago? Something like that. I saw him out in the field with this little mini truck, and I just thought it was the coolest damn thing I had ever seen before. And I knew one day that little machine was going to be mine if I could make it happen. So we did a fair, easy, straight-up trade, and really I made out on the deal because if I remember correctly, I paid around $3,000 for the scissor lift. And these little mini trucks loaded up with the options that this one has with four-wheel drive, and it's got the super low crawling gear, it's got nice wheels, nice tires, and of course the hydraulic lift bed. It's about a $6,000 truck, on a bad day, maybe $7,500 on a good day. So I really did well, and I love this thing. It is absolutely a riot. So with that out of the way, let's take it for a rip. Giving it a rip down my little trail here, which is not exactly an easy thing to do. I made this with my Kubota, and it's sized about right for the Kubota, not for this. Although this isn't too much bigger. It's definitely, whoa, definitely bigger. Little stream just went over there. And actually, we're gonna put this in 4 low here because it'll actually give me a little better control. There we go. Because letting the clutch out in high was a little too fast. Low is just perfect for crawling. And we are climbing a hell of a hill right here. I know these drive along videos are always tough to judge when you're on the other end of it, but that's a pretty steep grade. Like I said, this is a trail that I use for snowmobiling in the winter, and it's pretty rough. We're coming up by the new garage. This thing is unstoppable. And the cab over design is really cool. get a good feel for the front end. Well, there really isn't any front end. I am the front end. We'll go out this way and let's hit some of the tougher trails. Now I haven't, I've taken it out here before, but I haven't taken it where we're going. Figure I'd take you on the first run out this way. It's gonna be rough. Alright, we gotta go back into first here. So everything on it works, which is really great. Whoa! The only issue I'm having right now is an issue with idle. It doesn't want to idle. So I've got the idle turned up higher right now than it should be. And even then it still will stall on me depending on how warm the engine is. Engine stays nice and cool, but again, depending on where it is in the cycle, sometimes it has some issues. So treat. This is a wicked nasty drop off. And there's a tree. What else was I gonna say? Wow, that's tight. Power steering would be nice, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, this is rough stuff. Oh my god, this thing's so funny. There we are. We made it to the river. Well, the stream or the lake or whatever you want to call it. And she's gonna conk out on me right now, isn't it? No? Still running. Okay. She's still purring. So, as cool as this thing is off-road, I am not 100% sold on keeping it the way it is. And I'm gonna need your help with this. What do I do with this thing? Do I keep it exactly as it is, maybe clean it up and really restore it and make it super pristine and nice? Do I jack the thing to the moon, make it not fit in the garage, put a Cummins 12 valve in it and just make it a miniature monster truck? Do I slam it to the ground, make it a lowrider, put it on airbags? Do I do a Hayabusa, a turbo Hayabusa engine swap in it and put drag slicks on it? Make it a 10-second wheelie popping machine. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's just cool though. So I think this would be a good kind of YouTube project video where you guys can kind of pick your own adventure here. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you want to see? What would you like to see? Any of you that happen to watch Hoonigan video, the Hoonigan channel, they've got like 1,300 channels now, so I don't even know which one it's on, but they just built one of these trucks and turned it into a drift truck, basically. They threw a rotary motor in it. It is badass. So I don't want to do that because they did that. But I'd be happy to build some little 10-second monster that pops wheelies that we can call out the Hoonigan mini truck on, and I'd be happy to get it shipped out to California or meet them halfway across the country somewhere and do something cool with that. But let me know in the comments what you want to see me turn this thing into, or if you just want to see it the way it is. Let me know what you want to do. And I'm not married to any idea with this thing at all. I like it the way it is, but if we want to get crazy with it, we can get crazy with it. So let me know. As always, appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments, questions, criticisms, concerns, throw them down in the comment section below me. And otherwise, everybody just have a great day.